Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are making hot and sour soup. Start off by cutting some carrots into fine julienne strips about 4 or 5 centimeters in length. For this soup I'm using fresh shiitake mushrooms. Cut off the stem. The stem can be quite bitter. Then cut the mushroom into thin slices. Once we've done that, we're going to cut up some fresh bamboo shoots. If you can't find any fresh bamboo shoots, you can also use tinned bamboo shoots for this soup. As with all hot and sour soup, we're going to add in some tofu. You can use firm tofu, you can use any type of tofu you can get at all. I like chicken in hot and sour soup. You can use pork or prawns if you so wish. It's you that's eating this soup. Marinate the chicken with some salt, some minced ginger, some cornstarch, a little water. Mix that thoroughly and set to the side for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, we are going to make up some corn flour slurry. This is just a mixture of water and corn flour which we will add to the soup at the end, and this will thicken the soup. Bring a pot of chicken stock to the boil. Add in some dark soy sauce, some light soy sauce, some sugar and a pinch of salt. Now we are ready to add in the bamboo shoots, the carrots and the shiitake mushrooms. Cover with a lid and bring to the boil. Once the soup has come back to the boil, we are now ready to add the chicken. Now, this is important. Make sure you stir the soup, otherwise the chicken will clump together. So we want to stir the soup and break up all the chicken. Get a lid, cover the pot once more. Bring to the boil again. Remove the lid and gently add your tofu. Carefully stir your soup once you've added the tofu. You do not want to break the tofu up. Cover with a lid. Bring to the boil, remove the lid one last time. Now we are going to thicken the soup. Always stir your corn flour slurry because corn flour tends to settle to the bottom. Gradually add it and give it a quick stir around. When you drizzle a beaten egg slowly into hot and sour soup, the heat catches it instantly and forms delicate silky ribbons. A gentle swirl with your spoon helps the eggs stretch out into long feathery strands that float beautifully through the broth. It adds a soft texture, a golden colour and that classic finish you see in proper Chinese takeaway hot and sour soup. Finish it off with some ground white pepper and your Chinese white vinegar. Always add the vinegar at the end so it does not evaporate.